Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh asserts resignation of 3 MLAs from Congress will not affect the government. MLA Anand accuses Rajnath Singh of deceiving the people of Manipur on framework agreement. BJP insists sports university will be constructed in Kautrok, not in Yaithibi Lokon. And MLA Sham ravishes politicization of development work in Langthabal, halts road repairing work. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You are watching Prime Time English News. I am Tensubam Ranita with the top stories and latest news of the day. Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh stated that the economic condition of the state is better than other northeastern states. Speaking at the one-day political conference jointly organized by Bloc Congress Committee, Mahila Congress Committee and Youth Congress Committee, Thoubal at Thoubal Public Ground in connection with the upcoming assembly polls, the Chief Minister said the resignation of 3 MLAs from the party will not affect the government. Taking advantage of the conference to appeal to the Congress workers not to personally criticize one individual ahead of the election. He also cautioned that giving vote to BJP is like inviting trouble for the state and alleged that union ministers only visited but have not taken any action for the development of the state. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee President, ministers and MLAs and thousands of people of the area attended the conference.
Congress government laitre haiduna ahan bada Delhi da Congress government laitre haida Manipur ki praja jingsi as akhui ki resource laijade center da atopa party ma sason tawre adu akoi sidana center da yemoti koi state da Congress na ruling oibani adu center da yemoti koi opposition ni akoi se kamai tawni haina nungsa thi yaram ne hojik sahi ani makhai chorkadore
Nauria Pakhang Lakpa MLA R.K. Anand has accused Union Home Minister Rajnath Singh of deceiving the people of Manipur on framework agreement between NSC&IM and Government of India. Speaking at the inauguration of Koiru Multipurpose Hall at Malom Tuliyaima Awang Lekai under Koiru Development Committee, he said BJP Manipur Pradesh might be knowing the contents of the agreement. He said BJP leaders of the state should press the centre to stop framework agreement with the NSC&IM. He also alleged that there might be a secret agenda of BJP as the party is going together with the NPF. Anand said he cannot accept the threat posed by Narendra Modi to the people of Manipur. He said the people should never forget that June 18 uprising occurred during the time of NDA in 2001.
Bharat ki Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the Home Minister Rajnath Singh, the Manipur, Mayams the fighting against over dishonor, disrespect of the hundred political treasury need the fighting Tawid of Tamse, Manipur, Mayam the Taway. To do I know the Mighty community, the sing name. Masi ticket Tadame Mota, Asset Salo, Nakogi, Bapush, the Hajaru, Manipur, the Nasi, doing the town and attack of Manipur, Miamu Sananta, Manipur, Miam, the Rosilimam, say, the Taka to the Hena. Madun bought a Kanaka Septa Hydrogen, Moy Kurimata, Tauda, Piri Hajabata. BJP Home Minister, the Yaraba agreement, BJP, the ticket, BJP, the Hajarim, Manipur, Miam, the Nataka, Lucily Karino saying as Yarkan question to BJP come money.
Former Congress MLA N. Biren has stated that even though he has resigned from Congress recently, he had mentally distanced himself from the party 3 years ago. Speaking at an interaction program hosted by Kesamthong Humanitarian Committee at Kesamthong Moirang Purel Community Hall today, he said he spoke against the party in its handling of various issues. He also stressed the need for an act to prevent purchase of land in valley areas by outsiders just like in hill areas. He maintained that politics should be directed towards the interests of future generations.
Matam theng mangan ba haigno aina ngangi ba khabar da tawi ma yam theng na bi do bro ꯆꯨꯔꯆꯥꯟꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗ ILP ꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗ ꯕꯤꯜ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯀꯗꯕꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯍꯣꯔꯦꯟ ꯑꯦꯁꯦꯝꯕ꯭ꯂꯤꯗ ꯄꯨꯡ 12ꯗ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯀꯗꯕ ꯕꯤꯜꯗꯣ ꯄꯨꯡ 9ꯗ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯑꯒ ꯕꯤꯜ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯣꯏꯅꯦ ꯅꯟꯁꯦꯟꯁ ꯚꯣꯠ ꯀꯥꯗ꯭ꯔꯗꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯖꯩ ꯑꯣꯛꯄꯤꯔꯣꯏ ꯇꯣꯛꯂꯛꯄꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯍꯥꯠꯇꯅꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩ ꯆꯍꯤ ꯊꯥ 6ꯁꯦ ꯋꯥꯅ ꯈꯪꯉꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯠꯅꯤ ꯇꯧꯅꯤꯡꯕꯗꯤ ꯆꯍꯤ 3-4 ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗꯒꯤ ꯀꯣꯔꯣ ꯈꯣꯠꯂꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤꯡꯕꯤꯔꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯦꯁꯦꯝꯕ꯭ꯂꯤ ꯕꯣꯏꯀꯣꯠ ꯇꯧꯅꯤ कमांडो NSF चेक तौरबगी कमांडो मैम सस्पेंड तौबदो मदो हंकल हंड्रेड अखोय असेंबली यावरो गान तौबदो अखोयनी ऐ युमदा पुल्लकाना तौबनी
BJP Manipur today categorically stated that it will not allow the sports university to be established in Yaithabi Lokon. The party insisted that it will be set up in Koktro. Convener of BJP Manipur Pradesh State Election Monitoring Cell, Thongnaujam Chawba announced the party's decision while speaking at one-day political conference organized by 21 Nauria Pakhang Lakpa BJP Mandal at Langthabal Puramakhong. T.S. Chawba said when the people are fighting to protect the agricultural lands, the state government's decision to set up sports university in Yaithabi Lokol will only lead to corruption. He said it is unfortunate that the government ignored the offer of the people of Koktro. Taking part in the political conference, Thangmaban MLA K.S. Joykishan alleged that the government is backing the drug traffickers in the state, threatening the future of the youth. He said the government transferred police officer who seized the drugs. Aspiring candidates from Nauria Pakhang Lakpa, Malesh, Manoranjan and Sobha also attended the conference.
Yaithabi Lokon sports university sani torasini holiday idele tozu to honoi Yaithabi to toi Koktro to toni BJP no hongkok kani bedile mangal bayadre phok se handare chana bami ne handare हाइदना बिल में कुइद्री ने पास तो चही फाटी ने
नौरिया पखंग लपना थोइदोंना चाउथोक सनिङाय ओरबा इंस्पेक्टर रजित फिल्म करी ले श्री रंजितना मांगना थौना फना एयरपोर्ट की ड्रग मयाम म फादुना आइगी तुंगी इजाति की ना सुंजी कन्नबा आइगी पुलिस की इथौदांग उठके न मागी पुलिस की ओइबा तोम तोम उठकी मागी लेकाइना चाउथोक सनिङाय ओकी लमदम सिगी नौरिया लपना पाउ चाउथोक सनिङाय ओकी अदबु नोआबा मिकुप्ता मणिपुर सरकार माकु ट्रांसफर तौथोकपिगी माकु मफम मना थंगदबा अमरे थमकी.
The state is witnessing new political developments as the 11th State Assembly polls draws nearer. Former Minister Dr. K.H. Loken, who has represented Sagulban on Congress ticket, has joined the BJP. 9 persons, including the former minister, IMC corporator S. Tiken Singh, ward members and former councillor today joined the BJP Manipur Pradesh. A reception was held for them at the party office at Nitepa Chuthek. Convener of BJP Election Management Committee, T.S. Chawba said the people of Manipur no more favor the Congress party. He said several Congress leaders have left the party. BJP Legislature Wing leader K.S. Joykishan made fun of the Congress party for accepting unpopular politicians. Comparing the Congress government with Gundaraj, the MLA said it does not think for the welfare of the people. He alleged that a police inspector was kept in the lockup for checking the vehicle of a relative of an influential person.
अखोई याम श्री लोकेन बीजेपी दी ऑक्शन ब्रेक हाइबे सिमंगना बीजेपी ना सागचरिबा असिगुम युमफम मसिगी अकन ब युमबी म फंगे हाइबे से असे थोदे न डिक्टेटरशिप ओइबा लैंगा असिना मियाम नमदबा अदु म पामदबदगी ngasi श्री बिरेन ना थोखरिबा श्री फ्रांसिस ना थोखरिबा आई याम श्री लोकेन ना थोलैबा पाबुंग इराबो ना थोलैबा कांग्रेस की काउंसिलर मयाम थोलैबा ngasi दगि थामै मनुंग कांग्रेस मयाम सुं थोलकन मणिपुर कनबा पांबा मणिपुर सगतबा पांबा खुदिबना मणिपुर कनबा पांबा पार्टी बीजेपी खोयद यावरक पाइबसे मसी येननिंगाय लिद्र.
Former Minister Dr. K.H. Loken said Manipur needs a better change and BJP alone can bring the change. He said he has dedicated his life to BJP for the sake of the people.
Family politics na hena maru oirakpa praja singbul dagi lapthorakpa maram maduna Congress na laikha tarakpagi achouba maram ama oirakpa taramathoi suba Manipur Vidhan Sabha gi election da BJP na absolute majority phangani abagi ase tatha ngasi Manipur gi praja singna ha ka lauriba mayam sing ase matam maduda da BJP na sason paraba matam maduda da kokani लोकेन राजनीति तौजरी बसिसु मणिपुर योनन बनते मणिपुर कन्नन बने.
BJP Langthabal Mandal organized a one-day political conference at Langthabal. The conference was held at the residence of Ningombam Nilakumar at Singzamei Makha, Khongnang Phaidekpi. Speaking at the conference, BJP aspiring candidate and Nilakumar said a BJP government is needed in the next election in order to have peace and development in the state. He appealed to the people of the constituency to vote for the candidate the BJP chooses to fill in the election so that the elected person can bring change in the constituency.
Lakadoriba 2017 in the election asidadi Langthabal Kendrada BJP gi oiba candidate laibok phoba candidate ama putho asi haibse ngasi masinai gi appeal ni tinbiriba gi chinlaw singai gi maibel singa madi paipal pumnamak amato oina leminare hairaga handak maraibok phoba BJP gi ticket phangba aduguma candidate da koi punna sogon minaraga awonba corruption free oiba amadi santi leiba Tungdu Laitana Hingminabaya Baduma Iramdamama, Sankon Minabonabada, Langthabal Kendra Praza Miamna, Sojok Pinabu.
Langthabal MLA Karam Sham today rubbished politicization of development work in Langthabal and halted repairing of road, citing lack of quality. Karam Sham stated that he did not object to the repair of the road on the south of Manipur University. He accused the former Langthabal MLA of politicizing the development work in his constituency. MLA Sham said he only objected to the subcontractor repairing road that need not be repaired without the knowledge of the contractor and putting of unnecessary culverts on the half-kilometer road. The MLA said the repair of the road will be halted until the minister concerned and chief engineer come to an agreement with him. He warned that if the subcontractor continues the work despite the ban, he will be held responsible for any untoward incidents. K. Sham said the statement made by the former MLA of the constituency has created confusion among the people. He maintained that former MLA Okram Joy constructed only 2 roads under Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana in the constituency and could not get funds under Central Road Fund during his nearly 40 years as MLA. He claimed that the ministry has approved 7.5 crore rupees for the constituency. The MLA also accused the former MLA of not minding his business.
Unnecessary pisa mangan na honaba adumba subcontractor ba angang singduna hujiksu adi contractor masasu khangdaba aduga MLA dasu without any information pidana hekta kusira sida hurallana da lambi sembasidi adi mathaki authority maroina chief engineer aduga concerned minister MLA ai isa aduga asengba thikadar oriba sina warep ama lauraktingai gi manungda adi thabak sujanba si yaroi aduna athuba matamda lepkadabani adi lambi yaraktragadi madugi responsibility MLA da leibani adi madugi afafata daita du laujanana bagi damakta matam khara ngai ko na haibani aduna ngasi humni gi manungda haiba hujik chemi lambi si yanaba ma portringoi di stop tawgada.
MPP has expressed reservation about the participation of Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh in the inaugural function of Lysana Packaged Drinking Water and Fruit Juice of BLL Enterprises Limited on the bank of Imphal River. In a press release, the party said Manipur Pollution Control Board, IFCD, Forest and Environment and PHE Department should be held responsible if the pollutants from this industrial estate affects the public. 10 opposition corporators of Imphal Municipal Corporation today resigned as members of various committees. Speaking at the BJP head office in Netepa Chithek, corporator Hijam Nutan Chandra said from the day the corporators took oath on June 14, they have not been able to take up any development work. He accused that there is no transparency in the work undertaken by the ruling corporators and there is no fund generation. Nutan Chandra drew the attention of the Chief Minister regarding the matter.
Sarkar asina aikoida kaliyo funding amata thaldana haibadi ward development committee chalai bangam daba ward development committee gi dakar ba sing matam chana fan pi bangam daba na husi that mari sab chana phung phare ana aikoi function tawba ngam daba gi damakta aikoi totally yamna condemn tawbai roina na aikoi na Imphal Municipal Corporation laiba committee ni pan sidi aikoi design tawjabani athuba matam da Marlinabo Mahut Minister Obiba Honorable Chief Minister Miang Changbi dabani mamangi tamda kagi baga koi thabak tawngam bani adu hujikti ekoi kedore kagi baga koi thamari asi parjana ekoi da hangiba noi thabak tawdiba karigino parjada in detail clear lam thamjari basini Honorable Mayurna yamna strengthen oina thabak tawdi haina ekoi blame tawjari.
Let's take a small commercial break. We'll be back in a short while. Keep watching Impact News.
Panthoibi Housing Finance Company Limited to convert all the kacha houses in Manipur to Paka or semi-Paka with complete financial inclusion. Panthoibi Housing Finance Company Limited Uripok Imphal is organizing a special gathering of all political leaders of Manipur to support and encourage the revolution and role played by the company. The company will highlight urbanizing Manipur, boosting housing industry to improve quality of life, economic and financial and employment solutions. Sunday, 16 October 2016, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Venue, Imperial Hall, Classic Grande, Chingmairong, Imphal, Manipur.
Aigi thamoina achit pathazaba thamjari. Sri Mani Kumar Jewelers. Yumda sumlai raka khanbana di kana roi engunda loina thengna khrabani wakal do wagana lao ai koi kudingo phazamina rase miyam gi apamba design kudingo soidana phanglagani Sri Mani Kumar Jewelers.
Nungairba Paujel, Manipur Sangai Festival Manungda, Myanmar the flight Tongluna Koiruna Bagi, Achauba Kudung Chaba Ama KB Enterprises na Pizari, November Gitang Kunda Chat Kragatang Kun Tarukta Halakadabani, Sopnatagi airfare listing Taramanga Kachamangada, Myanmar the Chatpiu, Package Ki Kudung Chaba Sufangbigani, Akupa Marol Gidama, KB Enterprises, MG Avenue Infalda, contact of you, Aikogi mobile number D 98620 28656. Welcome back, you're watching Primetime English News. Deputy Chief Minister Gaikingam asserted that there is a need for the youth to understand the age-old traditions of the state to develop the rich culture of the state, and the Congress government established the Cultural University with an aim to preserve the rich culture. He made the statement at the opening of the 23rd Guru Kirtan Seva, a Nat Sankirtan festival. Speaking at the function, he appealed to the general public to preserve the cultures of the state. Floral tributes were paid to the late gurus of Nat Sankirtan at the function organized by Gulapi Nat Sankirtan Academy at Chandrakriti Auditorium, Palace Compound. Commissioner Works K. Radhakumar and A. Jiteshwar Padma Shri awardee, among others, attended the function. Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences JNIMS has claimed to have successfully conducted a rare operation. The number of this rare case has not even reached 100 in the world. The case found in Manipur might be the first such case in India. JNIMS gynecologist Dr. Kharibam Paikhoma today told the media persons that arteriovenous malformation of uterus is a very rare disease among women. He said an operation was conducted on a patient successfully yesterday and termed it as a major achievement.
Uterus yam rarely to world hujupokta case report or pase 100 yaudri. Aduna really topa case samawaiba. Akona masigi successfully tobunga mihajigi masigi maramdi kaigano siumba operation tobase Besel mayam singchina loina santoga laibnina operation tobade I am tokenba. Adigi magi manak napa the uterus ki nakanda salaga laiba kan ureter gumba atopa gut sidagaso ichi toksanba adigi mother injury tobase. He hek togale uterus manung the topa city very rarely topa. Togana magi complications yamna yamba. Massive hemorrhage, bleeding doragamazi morbidity yam wangba, mortality yam wangba. Yam risks ni my life to shock to pokalaine patient BP gaje pangdana. Adugo somehow koigi patient save to bangamore.
Amuko has alleged that the 16-year-old peace talks between the NSA and IM and Government of India are against the interests of the people of the state. The organization in a press release said it is not a peace talk but a negative peace talk and will only create misunderstanding among the people. It said the resources of the state belongs to the people of the state, not to the hill people. Amuko also said it will not accept the peace talk if it threatens the territorial integrity of Manipur. Coalition for Indigenous Rights Campaign Circa Manipur will observe the second Manipur National Day to commemorate the assembly held on October 18, 1948 after Manipur attained independence from the British administration and framed its constitution. The commemoration will be held on the 18th of this month at Sanakono. Sarkar Chairman Thokchom Somarendo told the media persons that Manipur became independent on August 14, 1947 and held the first assembly on October 18, 1948. He said a public meeting held by Sarkar on August 21 resolved to observe the day as Manipur National Day. He appealed to the people to attend the event and not to call for bandh and blockade on the day. Thongnaujam Nandarani from 38 by 23 Ilang Khang Pokpi, Mamang Leika in Hyanglam has alleged that card holders did not get the right quantity of the rice under National Food Security Act. Speaking to the media at Ilang Khang Pokpi, Mamang Makha Leikai today, she said agents have distributed only 10 kg of rice per family for April and May. She said even though agents were approached to provide right quantity of rice, yet they failed to provide to do so. Many beneficiaries did not take the rice as the agents failed to provide the right quantity. She also asked whether the act can be simply altered by the agents and warned of intense agitation with the support of civil society organizations if the agents fail to provide the right quantity of rice within October 20. OBC, SC and general students of Manipur University held a sit-in at the gate of the university against the silence of the MU authority on the demand made by Manipur University Students Union MUSU Finance Secretary to begin admission process within 2 days on the 11th of this month. Hostelers of the university held a meeting and resolved to submit their books to the Dean of Social Welfare. Speaking to media persons, MUSU General Secretary Oinam Prem Sagar condemned the state government's interference in the Central University issue and said it is unfortunate that the state government is creating a communal tension among the students. He also warned to impose public curfew on MU campus if the authority does not begin the admission process and regular classes from tomorrow.
aduga satra singi hojik class hogdaba leiriba mayam sing asi loinamak kudakta hawanbiu haiba khongjang aduni ngasi mayam na changhel aise musugi president na ngasai president of India da petition ama thabasi masi musugi ayaba yauraga thabanate aduga mana tharibasi magi lanai gi oiba magi sam keno kharagi bias oiba yamna community kharagi bias oiba chi amani ana ai mayam da sengdok chage.
Persons with Disabilities, State Commissioner Dr. R.K. Kumarjit, Social Welfare Department Deputy Director, Disabilities, Hill District DSWO and SWOs were felicitated today at Manipur Press Club. The function was organized by All Tribal Disabled Union Manipur, which is formed jointly by disabled associations of Ukhrul, Senapati, Tamelong and Chandel. Speakers at the function spoke on the benefits provided under Persons with Disability Act 1995. BJP Manipur Pradesh Vision Document and Chaukhat Khongthang Lup Awang Potsangbam Khulen jointly organized an animal vaccination program at Awang Potsangbam Khulen. Around 300 animals were vaccinated at the program. BJP Executive Member Ningombam Helendro inaugurated newly constructed Maira set of Nupi Khunai Chaukhat Kanglup at Wanghei Ningthempukri Mapal today. Manipur State Power Company Limited said there will be total shutdown of 33 kV Khuman Lampak to Kisampat Powerhouse line on October 16. Laborer Sorok Haibam Rameshwar was released by the armed kidnappers last night. Sorok Haibam Rameshwar from Nongdam was abducted on October 6 near Laikot Singh. The abductors released him near Kaibi Paddy Fields and he boarded an auto rickshaw to reach his home. Later, he was admitted to Raj Medicity in North AOC. Patriotic Writers Forum Manipur will launch 3 books on October 16 at Dev Literature Center at DM College campus. The Editors Guild Manipur will be organizing its second international exposure tour to Cambodia in March 2017. In a press release, the EGM said the tour is part of the EGM's agenda of exposing its editor members to the EGM to South Asian countries in connection with the activist policy that the government of India has been pursuing. As Manipur is first port of call for East Asian countries, whenever the Act East policy becomes a reality, it is pertinent that the people of Manipur, particularly those in trade and commerce, are aware of how these countries function and how Manipuri diasporas settle in these countries can contribute to Manipur's economy. The first tour to Thailand have been successful with reorganization of Manipuri diasporas and launching of Facebook group Global Manipuri Platform to assist visitors from Manipur to Thailand. Facebook page admins Chingkham Daina, Dev Adhikari and Joseph Huidrom have been actively updating job opportunities and travel guides in and around Thailand. Altogether, the group now has 3,597 members and is growing. After the interaction with the EGM, Manipuri Thai diasporas are keen to assist any Manipuri travelers to Thailand. Kwaklei Khongul Meitei Orchids Private Limited, Sagolban Bijoy Govinda is all set to make tree bean, locally known as Yongchak, available plenty in the state by planting on mass scale. The company is planning to provide to the public the saplings of Yongchak species known as Perica speciosa by importing from Thailand. Though Yongchak is fully matured in March after flowering in September, this particular variety from Thailand is fully mature in October after flowering in April. Speaking to media persons, Managing Director of the Limited, R.K. Kishore said he has started preparing saplings in order to bridge the demand-supply gap of Yongchak in the state. The farm has now around 3,000 saplings and are available at Rs 250 to 300. In sports, Oinam Kendra Kangkhut won the 11th league match of the 4th Ibudho Wangpurel Khana Chauba Open Kendra Wise League Cum Knockout Kang tournament. In the match played today, Oinam Kendra Kangkhut trounced Kaitamthong Kendra Kangkhut 2012. 12 Kangkhuts are competing in the tournament organized by IWKK Uchikon at Uchikon Leikon Kangsang. Thongju Kendra C Kangkhut and Thongju Kendra A Kangkhut will play tomorrow. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh asserts resignation of 3 MLAs from Congress will not affect the government. MLA Anand accuses Rajnath Singh of deceiving the people of Manipur on framework agreement. BJP insists Sports University will be constructed in Kokrok, not in Yaithibi-Lokon. And MLA Sham Ravish's publication of politicization of development work in Langthabal halts road repairing work.